All right, so maybe I should have tuned you into this a little earlier. You see coolant on the floor. She's leaking. I got another engine for it. This is a 5.3. This is a 2000. I got some parts coming. I wanted to make sure that it cleaned up nice enough to be daily, and it did. Old construction truck, I'm used to that. Got a little rust. You can get parts for that. Got them coming maybe. But right now, first I wanted to make sure it was going to work. This is the truck I traded for the free truck. Now the free truck, the 92, I sold the engine for $500 and got to keep the rest. I bought this truck for $500. It has a dead cylinder, I think, but it came with an engine guarantee. So, enough about that for right now. I've already started removing badges. I've cleaned up the insides. I have plans. I didn't include you on some of the repairs, like making this window work and fixing that back door, because I don't know. I didn't. But I did fix these doors. If you need to know how to fix your doors, let me know. I can show you. All right? Gotta slam them. Anyway, this is the new ride. Yeah, hey. Cleaned up pretty nice. Lot of miles. Drug it out of the junkyard. This will make every vehicle in my fleet have come from the junkyard, except the wheelin truck over there. More to come on that. Just a minute here today. Going to continue doing things on this. You're going to see it. Hope you like it. Don't care if you don't. Yeah, that's just how it goes. So a lot of the stuff off the 92 might interchange. This is a 2000. So thanks for watching, Oswald. Appreciate it. Oh, excuse me. Slim's around here somewhere. Yeah, Silverato, Silverato. All right. Overall, this is a really nice truck for the $500 free dollars. So still free trucking it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Gonna be a lot going on. GMT 800, GMT 400.